Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania, working on a project. Customer called us. They wanted to get their crawl space encapsulated to deal with some moisture issues that they were having and to keep the wetness, the moisture, the mold, all that sort of stuff down in the dirt, underneath things, what was going on. And so that has happened. We had to cut up the plywood and remove the subfloor so that the encapsulation crew had some space to be able to get in there and work. Once we had this thing apart, we noticed that there was no bridging run between the joists, and as you walk across it, it was very spongy and soft, and you could really feel that. So Norm and I worked together this morning, and we cut up some blocking. We wedged that in there and got it where it needed to be, got everything aligned where it should be. And now we're going to get ready to start putting the subfloor back down. And once that is finished, they'll be ready for the hardwood floor installation. So we got the insulation back in here where it needs to be. He's putting glue down right now, and then we're going to glue and screw all the new plywood in. So that's room number one. This is room number two, which we haven't started the installation on this side yet. We're just going to go in one room at a time. And so cranking stuff out, getting stuff done, and making things happen. So I don't know why builders, when they put things together, skip things like the bridging that wasn't there. But since we've got it open, the extra couple minutes for us to put that in, it's the right thing to do, and it's going to help keep the floor nice and stiff, especially when the hardwood in, because what you don't want when you have hardwood floors is things squeaking. So anything we can do to tighten it up and keep things from moving, we want to try to do so that you get the best finished product when you throw the hardwood floor down. So this is Drew here in beautiful 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, Landenberg, Pennsylvania area. If we can help you solve a problem, 484-748-0008 is the number. Please choose option 2 for coat construction and renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. We look forward to serving you soon. Remember, it's not just done, it's coat built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.